Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome again. It's been a few weeks since I posted, so we've had some sickness like stomach flu and coughing and all the great things going on for the last couple of weeks. So I took a little bit of time off from YouTube, which is fine. And now I'm coming back. Let me show you guys what we're doing for dinner. We've been doing a lot of takeout and a lot of easy, convenient frozen meals just because to get through the sickness. And so now I feel like, okay, everyone's good. Let's start cooking again and getting back into a routine. So today is March 11th. Let me show you what I'm making for dinner tonight. So first thing I have, it is almost 3 o'clock. For the little ones, they always come home from school super hungry. So I'm making 2 of these macaroni and cheese boxes. We really like the thick and creamy. I have a huge stockpile of macaroni and cheese, so I made this up. They're gonna have that. I got this on an offer, I believe from Fred Meyer's, so Kroger or Safeway. Maybe it was Safeway. I think Safeway, it was a free offer. They're just cauliflower tots. And I had one and they're really delicious. And then I'm gonna make zuppa toscana. This is a whole 5-pound bag of potatoes, peeled and just cut into circles. I'm gonna use this Italian style pork sausage, some homemade chicken stock, and obviously this is not gonna be enough liquid for my soup, so I will substitute with water and then the non-dairy heavy cream and kale and all the delicious stuff. And then I was looking, I have like a bunch of sliced bread. I might do some garlic toast in the air fryer to just get rid of that bread and just have it along with our soup. All right, so here is my 2 little ones after school food. This is somewhere between lunch and dinner. And then they'll probably just have like a little bowl of soup for dinner or whatever else they want, or maybe some seconds of macaroni and cheese. There's that garlic toast. These are just little chicken nuggets bites, frozen, that I put in the air fryer. That thick and creamy mac and cheese. And then this raised chicken sauce. It's not our favorite. I like the Great Value chicken sauce better. This has like a really strong pickle taste. So if you like that, you would like it. So there's that. And then for my other fridge, I brought myself a cold Dr. Pepper because I really need a pick-me-up. It is raining and cloudy and I still have a lot to do, so I'm gonna enjoy that. And I'm super thirsty, so maybe I should drink water, but I'm just craving a soda. So my soup is coming to a boil and I'm gonna put the potatoes in next and the garlic and get that done, load the dishwasher, and then just kind of be done with the kitchen, and then everyone could kind of come and get whatever they want. We have lots of macaroni and cheese, we have chicken. I'm making more garlic toast in the air fryer, using up that bread, and then we can shut down the kitchen, or semi-shut down the kitchen. Or I should say, I'm going to be out of the kitchen. The kids will be coming in and out till they go to bed. All right, you guys, here is the soup. I did put, oh, my shadow. I did put some red chili flakes on top of mine, and it turned out really good. I let it cool down a little bit before I dug in because I always manage to burn my tongue with soup because I'm so impatient. So anyways, this is what we're gonna have for dinner today, and it's gonna hit the spot because it's really cold. Well, I guess it's not that cold. It was like in the high 40s when I woke up, so it's warmer than it has been, but it's just like really rainy and I don't know, like a soup day. Anyway, not sure what I'm making tomorrow, but either way, I will bring you along and let you know. All right, it is till Monday night, and I have my crepe maker out, and I am making beautiful crepes. There's the batter. The kids are just coming and grabbing them as they're getting done. We finished this peach preserve with this crepe session that I'm making right now. And I'm super excited to get out of the pantry. I mean, it wasn't in the pantry, it was in the fridge. Get that out of the fridge. And I got a strawberry one from the pantry that we're gonna replace. And yeah, it's a very simple batter. It's very delicious. And this thing is pretty big. And it makes them pretty quickly. Hi everyone, today is Tuesday. We are having leftover zuppa toscana because we have quite a bit left over. People are eating on the macaroni and cheese and chicken nuggets and all that other stuff too. So that's about all the food we're making for that. So I decided another batch of crepes. This is my crepe batter. I just started. I actually am making 4 times the recipe because last night I made 3 times the recipe and it was not enough. So this is my crepe maker that you guys saw last night. I use this little wooden spatula to kind of just distribute it, and it works really good, and I cannot wait to have some more crepes. I'm craving them. The kids are craving them, and I'll show you guys the recipe that I use. So this is my recipe that I got many years ago, back when I lived in Oregon, from Safeway, I think online, I guess. But this is what it is. The only thing that I differ from this, I add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla as well. But here it is. If you want to use this, screenshot it. This is not out of a cookbook. It was just like on the Safeway app, so it's free for everyone to use. So I feel comfortable sharing it with everyone. But yeah, it never fails me, and my my crepes always turn out delicious. So it's still Tuesday, and it's like almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I found a cauliflower in my other fridge, so I'm gonna try to make a recipe that I haven't made in over 10 years. But I'm boiling cauliflower. Then I'm gonna put it in here. This is just a shredded garlic. I'm gonna mash it up like you would do mashed potatoes. And then you add a little bit of salt, pepper, some mayo. You can add some sour cream. And you make it almost like, kind of like a hummus spread, but it's a little bit thinner. And then you put it on toast or on lettuce if you want to eat it low carb, and then you slice some tomatoes with a little bit of salt and pepper on top, and oh my gosh, it's heavenly. And I have not made this in a really long time, and that just sounded really good. So I figured, you know what, I didn't have to cook dinner because I had leftover soup. I just finished those crepes. I'm like, let's make this. Okay, so this has been sitting in my fridge. My husband got a rotisserie chicken from Costco a couple days ago. I'm gonna pick off all the meat and make like my potato chicken salad, and I'll probably have to substitute this chicken with a little bit more chicken from like a can, which is fine. But I'm gonna boil, after the cauliflower is done, I'm gonna take that water out, and in the same pot I'm gonna boil some carrots, then I'm gonna boil some potatoes and make myself a little salad to have in the fridge, and just to get this out of the fridge. So here's the chicken. There's more than enough. There was actually quite a bit on those little bones, so I don't need to open up a can of chicken for this. But I do have here like the extra gelatin, skin, fat, bones. I'm just gonna dump it in that little pot that I'm boiling everything after I'm done boiling the carrots and the potatoes, and make a stock. I was gonna just put it in a Ziploc bag in the freezer to do it some other time, but I have the time now. It's 6:09 in the afternoon on Tuesday. I'm not doing anything. The rain has stopped. It's crisp, nice, beautiful outside. I have my doors, windows open, fresh air, and I figured, let's make some chicken stock now. Pop it in the fridge. I mean, not in the fridge, in the freezer, and it'll be ready to go. Here is the cauliflower spread. I just have it on a piece of toast with some tomatoes and a little bit of pepper and salt. It is so good. I cannot wait. My mouth is watering. This is the consistency. I literally just put some garlic. I let the cauliflower cool a little bit. I mushed it up with my little potato musher, and I put a little bit of mayo and salt and pepper, and that's it. And it's so good. I'm guessing it's low carb. I don't know if the mayo makes it low carb or not, but the cauliflower is delicious. I'm sure you could put this on a bed of like lettuce, romaine lettuce or something like that, or just eat it with tomatoes with no bread. But this is how I've always had it, and this is how I'm craving it. I'm literally, my mouth is watering. So I'm gonna dig into this right now. All right, so it's 7:20. This is the pot. I got filled with all these goodies. I'm just gonna make a little bit of stock out of this, and I'm gonna finish that potato chicken salad. And my dishwasher is still going. Once it's done, I have about another load to load, and then that'll be it. All right, here is my big tub of beautiful salad. The more you let this sit in the fridge, the better it is. It's gonna be absolutely delicious tomorrow. It's delicious now, but it'll just be better. And that is going in the fridge right now. Put the lid on and done with. So for dinner we had tacos, and then my sister made this beautiful birthday cake for Noah. And he got a present. But this is the cake she made. It's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And we're going to dig in. Hi everyone, so today is Friday the 15th. Yesterday was Noah's birthday. I didn't show you, but we had Panda Express. My husband picked up 2 family meals, so we had quite a bit, and we had some leftover for today. The kids also made some frozen pizzas in the oven today. We are outside. Lucas, you want to say hi? With our bunny Mocha. We're just enjoying the sunshine. It's like really nice and sunny, and so everyone is just out here just hanging out. I'm not cooking anything else today, so we're basically just kind of eating whatever. We might barbecue tomorrow or Sunday. It's going to be in like the 70s, which is super great. And yeah, me and Noah got the stomach bug yesterday. We were both throwing up and feeling kind of nasty, so just haven't really felt like cooking or being in the kitchen. I just wanted to give you an update. We're feeling better today, but let me turn you guys around and show you how everyone is just hanging out. So there is Mocha, our little bunny. She is shedding everywhere, but she is enjoying the sun. Oh my, she's really shedding. And she was eating grass, and she is outside. We keep her in the house. She's a house pet, but today she is out enjoying the sun and being all sweet. You guys say hi to YouTube. So hi, this is what's going on. We have one kid doing gymnastics, and they're just kind of snuggling in there. Emma, do you want to be on here? No, she's over here. We're just sitting on, reading a book. Yeah, she's reading a book. We're just sitting here on the deck. Let me show you what book we're going So I just got this in the mail, and it is about making sourdough. It's something that we are looking into, maybe getting into, doing a starter and all that. So just like doing some research. And if you guys have done sourdough before and have any tips or tricks, please leave them in the comments below. All right, good morning everyone. It is Saturday and it is almost 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining. I've been up since like 5:40, cleaned up the house, and now I made some scrambled eggs with a little bit of bread, fruit, and then my coffee. Me and my husband are gonna go enjoy our breakfast and coffee outside on the deck. It's really crisp and cold, but really beautiful. So that's what we're gonna do, and I just thought I'd share that with you. So we had our breakfast outside, and we had some coffee, and then my husband's like, let's get the burger meat ready so that I can marinate. The kids are singing outside, don't mind them. I have burger seasoning, salt, garlic powder, a little bit of mustard, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. And he's gonna be mixing it he's gonna be shaping them like that. How's it going, babe?
Hi, pretty good.
Pretty good. We're early birds today, getting things ready. We are so excited to have homemade burgers, excuse me, on the grill tonight. Well, later on in the afternoon. These are so good. Okay, you guys, so we have the barbecue going, and we've had this fish, the salmon, in the freezer for a while. It was vacuum sealed, but the kids wanted to eat it. So what are we naming?
We named her Shakira.
Shakira's going on the grill. We're gonna wrap her up, and she's going on the grill after the burgers are done, and we are going to eat on her. That sounds so bad. We're gonna eat the fish. All right, here are some of the burgers. They're already done. They're super good. You can see they're very juicy and very delicious. And then once the fish is done, I'll show you guys what that looks like. So here's the salmon. The kids already picked at it. It smells absolutely delicious. They're gonna eat it with some tartar sauce, and we're also gonna have it tomorrow as well. All right, you guys, it is Sunday, and today after church we picked up Dave's Hot Chicken. This is what it looks like, and we are gonna dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.